Why do we feel so tired even when we haven't done anything physically demanding? It's a question that puzzles many as we often associate tiredness with strenuous activity. Yet this exhaustion creeps in even during our most sedentary moments. This isn't just about a lack of sleep, it's a deeper, more pervasive form of fatigue that affects our mental and emotional state, leaving us drained and unmotivated. We're exploring the subtle yet profound reasons behind this modern phenomenon, delving into the unseen battles our minds fight daily. This feeling of being perpetually tired despite physical inactivity is a widespread experience in our fast paced world, and understanding its roots is the first step towards finding genuine rest and rejuvenation. It's a silent struggle that impacts our daily lives, productivity, and overall well being, often without us even realizing the true cause. Let's uncover the hidden factors contributing to this pervasive sense of weariness. Imagine waking up, the morning light barely touching your room, yet your mind feels heavy, like it's already run a marathon. Your eyes are open, but your thoughts are a tangled mess, a sign of the day's unseen battles. This isn't the refreshing start you hoped for. Instead, it's a continuation of a mental burden carried through the night. The world outside is just beginning to stir, but your inner world is already in a state of overwhelm, grappling with an invisible weight. This feeling of mental fog and weariness, right from the moment you open your eyes, is a clear indicator that something deeper is at play than mere physical exertion. It's a profound sense of exhaustion that permeates your entire being, making the simplest morning routines feel like insurmountable challenges. The quiet of the morning offers no solace as your mind races, anticipating the demands of the day with a sense of dread rather than anticipation. This internal struggle, before any external action has even taken place, highlights the insidious nature of mental fatigue. It's a battle fought within the confines of your own mind, leaving you depleted before the day has truly begun, and it's a common experience for many in our modern society. This isn't just physical exhaustion, it's a deep seated mental fatigue, a weariness that permeates your very being, making even simple tasks feel monumental. It's a feeling many of us experience daily, a silent struggle in our modern, hyper connected world. This mental burden goes beyond tired muscles or a need for sleep. It's a profound depletion of cognitive and emotional resources, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and unmotivated. The simplest decisions, like choosing what to wear or what to eat, can seem like Herculean efforts, further exacerbating the sense of mental drain. This pervasive weariness isn't always visible on the surface, but it profoundly impacts our ability to focus, make decisions, and engage with the world around us. It's a constant, underlying hum of exhaustion that makes every interaction and every task feel heavier than it should. This silent struggle is a hallmark of our contemporary lifestyle, where the demands on our mental faculties are relentless, leading to a state of chronic mental fatigue that many of us have come to accept as normal. Understanding this distinction between physical and mental exhaustion is crucial to addressing the root causes of our persistent tiredness. Our brains are constantly bombarded with information, from endless social media feeds to a multitude of open tabs and notifications. This constant digital stimulation drains our cognitive energy, leaving us feeling depleted. Every ping, every scroll, every new piece of content demands a fraction of our attention, cumulatively creating a significant mental load. It's like trying to listen to multiple conversations at once, all day, every day, without a moment of true quiet. This incessant influx of data overloads our processing capabilities, preventing our minds from truly resting and recharging. The digital world, while offering unparalleled connectivity, also presents an unprecedented challenge to our mental well being, constantly vying for our focus and energy. This continuous bombardment of information, from news alerts to emails, social media updates, and streaming content, keeps our brains in a perpetual state of heightened activity. It's a relentless assault on our cognitive resources, leaving us with a feeling of mental exhaustion that is distinct from physical tiredness. This constant engagement with digital stimuli means our minds rarely get a chance to truly disengage and recover, leading to a chronic state of mental fatigue that impacts our ability to concentrate and think clearly. Each scroll, each click, Each new piece of information demands a tiny bit of our brain's processing power, accumulating into a significant energy drain. It's like running multiple heavy applications on your computer simultaneously, eventually slowing everything down to a crawl. Just as a computer struggles under the weight of too many open programs, our brains become sluggish and inefficient when constantly processing a barrage of digital inputs. This continuous demand on our cognitive resources, even for seemingly small interactions, adds up over time, leading to a profound sense of mental exhaustion. Every notification, every new email, every social media update, however minor, requires our brain to shift focus, process new data, and potentially respond, creating a constant cycle of mental effort. This fragmented attention and perpetual processing prevent our minds from entering a state of deep rest where true rejuvenation can occur. The cumulative effect of these micro demands is a significant depletion of our mental energy, leaving us feeling drained and unable to concentrate on tasks that require sustained focus. It's a subtle yet powerful form of cognitive overload that many of us experience daily without fully realizing its impact on our overall well being. This continuous demand on our attention leads to what we call dopamine fatigue. Our reward system, designed for occasional bursts of pleasure, gets overloaded by the constant stream of digital gratification. In a world where instant rewards are just a click away, our brains are constantly stimulated, leading to a desensitization of our natural reward pathways. This isn't just about feeling tired, it's about our brain's fundamental reward system becoming less responsive to genuine, meaningful experiences. The constant pursuit of digital likes and notifications creates an artificial high that over time diminishes our capacity to find joy in simpler, more sustainable activities. This overstimulation of our dopamine receptors, which are crucial for motivation and pleasure, ultimately leads to a state where we need more and more external stimuli to feel anything at all, contributing significantly to our pervasive mental fatigue. It's a subtle yet profound shift in our brain chemistry, making it harder to feel truly satisfied or motivated by everyday life. This constant craving for external validation and novelty, fueled by digital platforms, creates a cycle of seeking and temporary gratification that ultimately leaves us feeling empty and exhausted. Our brains are simply not designed for such a relentless barrage of reward signals, leading to a burnout of the very system meant to drive our motivation and well being. Her like, her comment, her Naya notification triggers a small dopamine release, creating a cycle where our brains crave more, but ultimately become desensitized and exhausted. It's like a sugar rush that leaves you crashing, only this crash affects your mental energy and motivation. Each tiny hit of dopamine, while momentarily pleasurable, contributes to a larger pattern of overstimulation, making our brains less responsive to natural rewards. This constant pursuit of digital validation trains our brains to expect immediate gratification, making it harder to engage in activities that require sustained effort and delayed rewards. The initial thrill of a new notification quickly fades, leaving behind a lingering sense of dissatisfaction and a craving for the next digital hit. This relentless cycle of seeking and receiving small dopamine boosts ultimately depletes our brain's capacity to regulate its reward system, leading to a state of chronic mental fatigue and a diminished ability to experience genuine joy. It's a subtle yet powerful mechanism that contributes significantly to the feeling of being constantly tired, even when physically inactive. Our brains become accustomed to this high level of stimulation, making everyday life feel dull and unengaging by comparison, further deepening the sense of mental exhaustion. This constant craving for external validation and novelty, fueled by digital platforms, creates a cycle of seeking and temporary gratification that ultimately leaves us feeling empty and exhausted. Beyond digital overload, we face decision fatigue. From choosing what to wear to what to eat, our daily lives are filled with countless micro decisions, each subtly chipping away at our mental reserves. Every choice, no matter how small, requires a certain amount of cognitive effort, and these efforts accumulate throughout the day, leading to a significant drain on our mental energy. Whether it's deciding which email to open first, what route to take to work, or even what to watch on TV, Each decision contributes to this pervasive sense of mental weariness. This constant barrage of choices, often made unconsciously, depletes our willpower and cognitive resources, making it harder to make important decisions later in the day. It's a subtle yet powerful form of mental exhaustion that often goes unnoticed, yet profoundly impacts our ability to function effectively. The sheer volume of options presented to us in modern life, from consumer products to lifestyle choices, means our brains are constantly engaged in evaluating and selecting, leading to a state of chronic decision fatigue. This constant mental exertion, even for seemingly trivial matters, prevents our minds from truly resting and recharging, contributing significantly to the feeling of being perpetually tired. It's a silent burden that many of us carry, unaware of how much our daily choices are impacting our overall mental well being. These seemingly insignificant choices accumulate, leading to a state where our ability to make sound decisions diminishes, and we feel mentally drained even before the day truly begins. It's a silent burden that impacts our productivity, our mood, and our overall sense of well being. As our decision making capacity wanes, we become more prone to procrastination, impulsivity, and poor judgment, further exacerbating the feeling of being overwhelmed. This depletion of mental resources makes it harder to focus on complex tasks, regulate our emotions, and engage in creative thinking. The cumulative effect of countless micro decisions leaves us feeling mentally exhausted, even if we haven't engaged in any physically demanding activity. This constant mental exertion, often unnoticed, chips away at our cognitive reserves, making us feel perpetually tired and less capable of handling life's challenges. It's a subtle yet profound form of mental fatigue that can lead to a sense of apathy and a decreased ability to cope with stress. This silent burden of decision fatigue means that by the time we face truly important choices, our mental energy is already significantly depleted, leading to suboptimal outcomes and a pervasive sense of weariness. It's a critical factor in understanding why we often feel so drained, even when our bodies are at rest. Many of us turn to passive activities like binge watching Netflix or endless scrolling as a form of rest. But this is often an illusion of rest, a temporary distraction rather than true rejuvenation. While these activities might feel relaxing in the moment, they often keep our brains engaged, processing information and stimuli, preventing the deep rest needed for true mental recovery. We mistake distraction for genuine rest, believing that by disengaging from active tasks, we are recharging our minds. However, the constant influx of visual and auditory information from screens, even during passive consumption, continues to stimulate our brains, preventing them from entering a state of true calm and restoration. This pseudo rest leaves us feeling superficially relaxed but still mentally drained, as our cognitive resources are continuously being utilized, albeit in a less demanding way. It's a common trap in our modern world where the lines between relaxation and stimulation have become blurred, leading to a pervasive sense of mental fatigue despite our attempts to unwind. This illusion of rest means we're often not giving our brains the true break they need, perpetuating the cycle of tiredness. We seek comfort in these activities, but they often fail to provide the deep restorative rest that our minds truly crave and require for optimal functioning. While these activities might feel relaxing, they often keep our brains engaged, processing information and stimuli, preventing the deep rest needed for true mental recovery. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a leaky hose. You're constantly adding water, but it's never truly full. Our brains, even when passively consuming content, are still actively processing narratives, images, and sounds, which requires cognitive effort. This continuous low level engagement prevents the mind from entering a state of genuine downtime where it can consolidate memories, process emotions, and truly recharge. The constant stream of new information, even if it's entertaining, means our brains are always on, never fully disengaging from the demands of processing external stimuli. This lack of true mental rest contributes significantly to the feeling of chronic fatigue, as our cognitive resources are never fully replenished. We might feel temporarily distracted or entertained, but the underlying mental exhaustion persists because our brains are not getting the restorative break they desperately need. It's a subtle yet powerful mechanism that perpetuates the cycle of tiredness, making it harder to feel truly refreshed and energized. This constant, albeit passive, mental activity means our brains are always working, preventing the deep restorative rest that is essential for mental well being and cognitive function. Let's differentiate between emotional tiredness and physical tiredness. Physical tiredness is the ache in your muscles after a workout, a clear signal from your body that it needs rest and recovery. It's the heavy limbs after a long hike, the burning sensation after lifting weights, or the simple desire to collapse into bed after a day of manual labor. This type of fatigue is tangible, directly linked to physical exertion, and often resolves with adequate sleep and rest. Your body communicates its needs clearly through sensations of soreness, weakness, or a general lack of energy that is directly attributable to physical activity. It's a natural and healthy response to pushing your body's limits, indicating that it's time to recover and rebuild. This physical exhaustion is a straightforward concept, easily understood and addressed through conventional means of rest and recuperation. It's a clear, unambiguous signal from your physiology telling you to slow down and allow your body to heal and regain its strength. Understanding this fundamental type of tiredness helps us to then distinguish it from the more complex and often invisible forms of fatigue that plague our minds and emotions. Emotional tiredness, however, is the heavy heart after a difficult conversation, the lingering sadness from a challenging day, or the mental exhaustion from constantly managing others' feelings. It's a different kind of burden, one that weighs on your spirit and mind, even when your body is at rest. This form of fatigue stems from the constant processing of complex emotions, navigating interpersonal dynamics, and absorbing the emotional states of those around us. It's the feeling of being drained after a day filled with empathy, conflict resolution, or simply being present for someone else's struggles. Unlike physical fatigue, emotional tiredness doesn't always manifest as a desire for sleep. Instead, it can lead to irritability, apathy, or a profound sense of mental weariness. This internal labor, often invisible to others, depletes our emotional reserves, making it harder to feel joy, engage with others, or even care for ourselves. It's a subtle yet powerful form of exhaustion that can leave us feeling hollowed out, even if we haven't moved a muscle. This emotional drain is a significant contributor to the pervasive sense of being tired, as it impacts our mental resilience and overall capacity to cope with life's demands. It's a burden that requires a different kind of rest and recovery, one that addresses the needs of our emotional landscape rather than just our physical body. This emotional drain can be far more insidious, impacting our mood, our relationships, and our overall well being, often without us even realizing its true source. It's a silent thief of joy, slowly eroding our capacity for happiness and connection. Unlike physical pain, which is often clear and localized, emotional exhaustion can manifest as a general malaise, a lack of motivation, or a pervasive sense of emptiness that is difficult to pinpoint. It can strain our relationships, making us less patient, less empathetic, and more prone to withdrawal, as our emotional reserves are simply too depleted to engage meaningfully. This subtle yet profound form of fatigue can lead to a diminished quality of life, affecting our ability to find pleasure in activities we once enjoyed and making it harder to bounce back from setbacks. It's a hidden burden that, if left unaddressed, can lead to chronic stress, anxiety, and even depression, silently undermining our mental and emotional health. Recognizing this insidious drain is the first step towards reclaiming our emotional vitality and protecting our inner peace. This constant emotional labor, often unseen and unacknowledged, slowly erodes our capacity for resilience, leaving us vulnerable to the cumulative effects of daily stressors. It's a profound form of exhaustion that demands our attention and a different approach to rest and recovery. So, what exactly happens in our nervous system and brain when we're constantly overloaded? Our sympathetic nervous system, responsible for fight or flight, remains activated, keeping us in a perpetual state of alert. This isn't just a fleeting response to danger. It's a chronic state of heightened arousal that our bodies and minds are not designed to sustain indefinitely. When faced with constant stressors, whether digital, emotional, or environmental, our nervous system interprets these as threats, triggering a cascade of physiological responses. This prolonged activation means our bodies are constantly preparing for an emergency, diverting energy away from essential restorative processes like digestion, immune function, and deep rest. It's like having an alarm system that never turns off, constantly blaring in the background, even when there's no immediate danger. This sustained fight or flight response is a key factor in why we feel so tired, even when we haven't done anything physically demanding, as our internal systems are working overtime to manage perceived threats. Understanding this physiological response is crucial to comprehending the depth of mental and emotional fatigue we experience in our modern, hyperstimulated world. It's a fundamental shift in our body's natural balance, leading to a pervasive sense of exhaustion that impacts every aspect of our well being. This prolonged activation leads to a cascade of physiological responses, including elevated cortisol levels, which can impair cognitive function and disrupt sleep patterns. It's a constant state of alert that wears down our body's systems over time. Cortisol, often called the stress hormone, is beneficial in short bursts, but chronic elevation can have detrimental effects on our brain and body. High cortisol levels can interfere with memory, concentration, and problem solving abilities, making it harder to think clearly and efficiently. Furthermore, this constant state of physiological arousal makes it incredibly difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep, even when we are physically exhausted, creating a vicious cycle of fatigue and poor rest. Our bodies are essentially stuck in a high stress mode, preventing the deep restorative sleep necessary for mental and physical recovery. This sustained physiological stress not only impacts our cognitive abilities, but also weakens our immune system and contributes to a range of health issues. It's a profound imbalance that explains why we can feel so utterly drained even when our daily activities don't seem overtly stressful. The internal chemistry of our bodies is constantly reacting to perceived threats, leading to a pervasive sense of weariness that is difficult to shake. This constant state of alert, driven by elevated cortisol, is a major contributor to the chronic mental fatigue many of us experience. Our prefrontal cortex, vital for decision making and focus, becomes fatigued, making it harder to concentrate, solve problems, and regulate emotions. It's like a muscle that's been overworked, losing its strength and efficiency. This crucial part of our brain, responsible for executive functions, is constantly engaged in our modern lives, from planning our day to filtering distractions and managing complex tasks. When it's perpetually overloaded, its capacity diminishes, leading to a noticeable decline in our cognitive performance. We find ourselves struggling to maintain attention, making impulsive decisions, and experiencing emotional volatility. All signs of a fatigued prefrontal cortex. This mental exhaustion impacts our ability to think critically, innovate, and maintain self control, making even routine tasks feel overwhelming. It's a direct consequence of the relentless demands placed on our cognitive resources, leaving us feeling mentally sluggish and less capable. Just as a physically tired muscle needs rest to recover, our prefrontal cortex requires periods of genuine downtime to regain its optimal function. This constant strain on our executive functions is a significant factor in the pervasive sense of mental fatigue, making it harder to navigate the complexities of daily life with clarity and composure. It's a critical area of our brain that, when exhausted, impacts nearly every aspect of our mental well being. This constant state of mental and emotional overload often creates a vicious cycle of guilt and burnout. We feel guilty for not being productive enough, which pushes us further into exhaustion, believing we must do more to compensate. This internal pressure to constantly achieve and perform, fueled by societal expectations and our own self imposed standards, drives us to push past our limits, ignoring the clear signals of fatigue. The guilt of not being on or productive enough leads us to overcommit and overwork, further depleting our already strained mental and emotional reserves. It's a self perpetuating loop where the more tired we become, the more guilty we feel, and the more we push ourselves, leading to deeper and deeper levels of exhaustion. This cycle is incredibly difficult to break because it's rooted in deeply ingrained beliefs about worth and productivity. We often mistake rest for laziness, believing that taking a break is a sign of weakness rather than a necessity for sustained performance. This constant internal battle between the need for rest and the pressure to perform exacerbates our mental fatigue, creating a profound sense of weariness that is hard to escape. It's a trap that many of us fall into, unknowingly perpetuating our own exhaustion through a relentless pursuit of an unattainable ideal of constant productivity. The burnout then deepens the fatigue, making it even harder to break free, creating a loop that feels impossible to escape. It's a trap many of us fall into, where the very act of trying to recover seems to require energy we simply don't possess. This profound state of exhaustion, both mental and emotional, makes it incredibly difficult to initiate any changes or seek help, as our capacity for decision making and self care is severely compromised. The feeling of being trapped in this cycle can lead to a sense of hopelessness and apathy, further cementing the pervasive sense of tiredness. Each attempt to push through the fatigue only exacerbates the burnout, creating a downward spiral that feels increasingly difficult to reverse. This isn't just about feeling tired, it's about a complete depletion of our physical, mental, and emotional resources, leaving us feeling utterly overwhelmed and incapable. The insidious nature of this loop means that the longer we remain in it, the harder it becomes to find the motivation and energy to break free. It's a silent struggle that impacts every aspect of our lives, from our relationships to our work, making it imperative to recognize and address this cycle before it takes an even greater toll on our well being. Breaking free requires a conscious effort to challenge the underlying beliefs that fuel this cycle and to prioritize genuine rest and recovery. But there is a way to recover, to truly recharge your mind. We call it the 7-minute life reset, a simple yet powerful technique for guided breathing, reflection, and focus. This isn't about adding another task to your already overflowing to do list. It's about carving out a small, intentional space in your day to reconnect with yourself and restore your mental energy. This technique is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience with mindfulness or meditation, offering a practical and effective path to genuine rejuvenation. It's a deliberate pause, a moment to step away from the constant demands and allow your mind to recalibrate and find its center. The beauty of the 7-minute life reset lies in its simplicity and its profound impact on your nervous system and cognitive function. By dedicating just a few minutes each day, you can begin to reverse the effects of chronic mental fatigue and cultivate a greater sense of calm and clarity. This isn't a quick fix, but a sustainable practice that, over time, will build your resilience and enhance your overall well being. It's an invitation to reclaim your mental peace and energy, offering a tangible solution to the pervasive tiredness that many of us experience. This powerful technique is your personal antidote to the relentless pace of modern life, providing a much needed sanctuary for your mind. Step 1. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take 3 deep, slow breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Feel your body relax with each breath. This initial step is crucial for signaling to your nervous system that it's time to shift from a state of alert to a state of rest. By consciously choosing a quiet environment, you minimize external distractions, allowing your mind to begin its journey inward. The act of closing your eyes further enhances this internal focus, shutting out visual stimuli that constantly vie for your attention. The deep, slow breaths are not just about oxygen. They are a powerful tool to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digestion. As you inhale deeply, imagine drawing in calm and peace, and as you exhale slowly, visualize releasing tension and stress from your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen, grounding yourself in the present moment. This deliberate focus on your breath helps to quiet the incessant chatter of your mind, creating a foundation for deeper relaxation and mental restoration. Allow yourself to fully settle into this comfortable position, letting go of any physical tension you might be holding. This simple yet profound act of intentional breathing is the gateway to unlocking true mental rest and beginning your journey towards rejuvenation. Step 2. For the next 3 minutes, simply observe your thoughts without judgment. Let them come and go like clouds in the sky. Don't try to control them, just witness them. This practice of non judgmental observation is key to detaching from the endless stream of mental chatter that often fuels our fatigue. Instead of engaging with each thought, analyzing it, or getting carried away by it, simply acknowledge its presence and allow it to pass. Imagine yourself as an impartial observer sitting by a river watching leaves float by. You don't jump in after each leaf, you simply watch it drift away. This gentle witnessing allows your mind to process thoughts without getting entangled in their emotional or cognitive demands, providing a much needed break from constant mental engagement. It's about creating a space between you and your thoughts, recognizing that you are not your thoughts and that they do not define you. This practice helps to reduce the mental load, as you're no longer expending energy on controlling or suppressing your internal dialogue. By simply observing, you allow your mind to naturally settle and quiet down, fostering a sense of inner peace and mental clarity. This 3 minute period is a powerful exercise in mental detachment, teaching your brain to release its grip on constant analysis and worry, paving the way for genuine mental rest and recovery. It's a profound shift from active thinking to passive observation, which is essential for recharging your cognitive batteries. Step 3. For the final 3 minutes, bring your attention to a single point of focus, perhaps the sensation of your breath or a gentle mantra. When your mind wanders, gently guide it back without frustration or self criticism. This focused attention helps to train your mind, strengthening its ability to concentrate and reducing its tendency to scatter. By choosing a single anchor, like the feeling of air entering and leaving your nostrils, you provide your mind with a stable point of reference, allowing it to settle and deepen its state of calm. If you choose a mantra, repeat it silently to yourself, letting its rhythm and sound fill your awareness. It's natural for your mind to wander. This is not a sign of failure, but simply what minds do. The practice lies in the gentle act of noticing the wandering and, with kindness, redirecting your attention back to your chosen focus. Each time you gently bring your mind back, you are building mental muscle, improving your capacity for sustained attention and inner peace. This final stage of the reset is about cultivating a sense of presence and stillness, allowing your mind to truly rest and rejuvenate by disengaging from external stimuli and internal distractions. It's a powerful way to consolidate the calm achieved in the previous steps, leaving you with a renewed sense of clarity and focus. This deliberate practice of returning to a single point of focus helps to quiet the mental noise and bring a profound sense of tranquility to your inner world, preparing you to re engage with your day with renewed energy and perspective. This simple 7 minute practice can reset your nervous system, calm your mind, and restore a sense of clarity and peace. It's a small investment for a huge return, offering a powerful antidote to the relentless pace of modern life. By consistently engaging in the 7 minute life reset, you are actively training your brain to be more resilient, more focused, and less susceptible to the overwhelming demands of daily life. This brief but potent intervention helps to downregulate your sympathetic nervous system, shifting you out of fight or flight mode and into a state of rest and digest. The cumulative effect of these daily resets is a significant reduction in chronic stress, improved cognitive function, and a greater capacity for emotional regulation. It's a practical tool that empowers you to take control of your mental well being, providing a sanctuary for your mind amidst the chaos. Imagine the profound impact of consistently giving your brain this much needed break, allowing it to process, recover, and rejuvenate. This isn't just about feeling less tired, it's about cultivating a deeper sense of inner peace, enhancing your ability to concentrate, and improving your overall quality of life. It's a testament to the power of intentional self care, demonstrating that even a few minutes a day can create a ripple effect of positive change throughout your entire being. This simple practice is your personal gateway to a more balanced, peaceful, and energized existence, proving that true rest is within your reach. Remember, rest is not laziness, it's recovery. It's a vital component of a healthy, productive life, not a luxury. Give yourself permission to truly rest without guilt or judgment. In a world that often glorifies constant busyness and productivity, it's easy to fall into the trap of believing that rest is a sign of weakness or a waste of time. However, true rest is as essential to our well being as food, water, and sleep. It's the foundation upon which all sustained effort and creativity are built. Just as an athlete needs recovery time to build muscle and prevent injury, our minds and bodies need periods of genuine rest to repair, rejuvenate, and consolidate learning. Denying ourselves this fundamental need leads to burnout, diminished performance, and a pervasive sense of fatigue. Giving yourself permission to rest means acknowledging your inherent worth beyond your productivity and recognizing that self care is a non negotiable aspect of a fulfilling life. It's an act of self compassion, a commitment to honoring your body's and mind's needs, and a powerful step towards breaking the cycle of chronic exhaustion. Embrace rest not as an indulgence, but as a strategic necessity for sustained health, happiness, and effectiveness. This shift in perspective is crucial for cultivating a life where you feel energized, focused, and truly present rather than perpetually tired and overwhelmed. It's about redefining what it means to be productive, understanding that true productivity stems from a well rested and resilient mind. In our next Life Decode episode, we'll decode why your mind never feels peaceful, even in silence. Stay tuned for more insights into unlocking your best self as we delve deeper into the subtle mechanisms that influence our inner calm. We'll explore the surprising reasons why moments of quiet can sometimes feel more unsettling than peaceful, and how our brains process the absence of external stimuli. This upcoming episode will offer practical strategies and profound understandings to help you cultivate genuine tranquility even when the world around you is still. Join us as we uncover the hidden layers of mental noise that persist even in the quietest moments and learn how to navigate them for a truly peaceful mind. We'll challenge common assumptions about silence and provide actionable steps to transform your relationship with your inner world. Don't miss out on this enlightening discussion that promises to shed light on one of life's most elusive quests, finding peace within. Prepare to gain new perspectives and tools that will empower you to create a sanctuary of calm, regardless of your external environment. This is an essential journey for anyone seeking to deepen their understanding of mental well being and unlock a more serene existence. We're committed to providing you with the knowledge and techniques to truly thrive. Take a deep breath. Your mind deserves rest too. Subscribe to Life Decode, where we decode life one truth at a time. Remember that prioritizing your mental well being is not a luxury, but a fundamental necessity for a balanced and fulfilling life. By joining our community, you'll gain access to more insights, practical tools, and a supportive space to explore the complexities of your inner world. We believe that understanding the why behind our experiences is the first step towards creating lasting positive change. So take that deep breath, acknowledge the incredible work your mind does every single day, and give it the care and attention it truly deserves. Subscribe now to embark on a journey of self discovery and empowerment as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human experience, one profound truth at a time. Your journey to a more rested, peaceful, and vibrant life starts here with us at Life Decode. We are dedicated to helping you unlock your full potential and live a life filled with clarity, purpose, and genuine well being. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to guiding you on this transformative path.